Vacuums. There are two main types of vacuums. Ones that have a bag to collect the dust and ones
that have a cylinder, like
exactly like this.
Right.
Now, here's a really important thing, whether you use a bag one or just a cylinder one, don't wait till they're full till you empty them. Empty them when they're about a third or a half full. That really helps them work much more efficiently. And most of these guys just have a clip on them like this. If they're a bag, shake all the extra dust out. And if it's a cylinder, grab a wipe and wipe the inside out just to keep it really clean and efficient. Super simple, but a really important...
You will really save yourself a lot of heartache and money, right?
Now, the last thing that people really don't think that much about is the roller. Most of these machines, the roller will pop off. But if you have anyone in your home that has long hair or pets that have a lot of hair that they give off, often these rollers will become clogged. And I don't know if the camera can catch this, but often there is string, twine, hair caught around the roller. Now, this little guy is
a seam ripper.
A seam ripper. You can get these.
Oh, that's brilliant.
In a kit from the dollar store. Very inexpensive. These are fantastic for just cutting through.
That's brilliant.
The twine and that, or use it.
Free it up.
Yeah.
That's a good one.
Or a pair of scissors.